I'm back again. My name is Down and Leave It. As many of you knows me online as your online tutor. It's been a very long time that I've dropped video last. I'm so sorry for just moving out that way and I never gave you any notice at all. I want to let you know that it is no more called Daniel Online Math, but Daniel E-Learning. Reason because it is now Daniel E-Learning is I'm no more particularly about mathematics alone. Yeah, it is other science subject has been added. I think that's a plus. Please just clap for me, clap for me. We are improving. All right. So quickly, today we'll be talking about binary and same thing to base 2. Okay. So if this is your first time coming in or first time watching my video either on Facebook, YouTube, anywhere at any social media you found this video, please do me a favor and subscribe and share this video. Please, I'm begging of you, subscribe and share. Today let's talk about addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of binary. So the first example, I think I will be doing just one example today. Alright, so let's start with the addition. So in adding binary numbers, what you do is you see 1 plus 1 is 2. But literally, you like 1 plus 1, 2. I want you to know that in binary 1 plus 1 is not 2. 1 plus 1 is 10, and I'm going to show you how that is done. Right, 1 plus 1 is not 2, is 10. 1 plus 1 is what? Is 2. Good. So you divide by the base you are working with, because that's how it's done. Yeah. So if you're working with base 2, which is binary, you see divided by what? By 2. So when you divide 2 by 2, you have 1 and 0 remainder. Okay, so your answer here, you drop this 0 and take the 1 up here. So the next thing you do is what? 1 plus 0 is what? Is 1. And 1 plus 1 here is 2. So you do the same thing. 2 divided by 2. This 2 is the one added here. And the 2 under here is the base we are working with, which is base 2. So still give us 10. So we put 0 here. We take 1 up to the next. Alright, the next thing here is 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Then 2 plus 1 here is 3. This time around something changes. You see, 3 divided by 2. The same still, but your answer changes. So therefore, you see, 3 divided by 2 is 1. Remainder what? Remainder 1. Okay, that's giving us 11. So you drop 1 and take the 1 up here. The same thing you do. 1 plus 0 here is 1. And you have 1 left here. So just drop the 1. So here is how to add in binary. So when you're giving binary numbers in base 2 or binary, this is just a simple way to add any binary number at all. So this is the addition. Now let's look at the subtraction. Alright, let's move to the next question, the subtraction part of it. How to do the subtraction part of it is you say minus 1 is what? 0. And you have 0 minus 1 is impossible because 0 is like nothing, and you have 1, just like asking you to subtract something from nothing. That's impossible. So what you do is to borrow 1 from here to add to this. Alright, so that's giving us 2. Now I want to explain something very important here. You notice that in early days in mathematics, that's in our primary schools, our teacher has been taught, we've been taught actually that when you borrow 1 from here and put here, we give you 10. Then you see 10 minus what? Minus 1, that is 9. Now in binary number, I want to let you know that the case of binary number is not the same to how it was we were taught in primary school, because our teacher was actually teaching us to work, to add and subtract in this thing. But this time around, this is in base 2. So therefore, any number you are borrowing is not 10 but 2. So if I borrow 1, the 1 I borrowed from here is not 1. Therefore, it is 2. I'm going to put 2 here. Okay? So I'm saying 2 plus this 0 here is what? Is 2. 2 plus this 0 here is 2. Then 2 minus 1 here is what? 1. So since we borrowed 1 from this place, what is left? Nothing. 0 is left. So here is no more, there's nothing left here. It's nothing. So 0, 0, we drop the 0 down. So what we have here, 0, drop the 0 down. We have 1 here, we drop the 1 down. So this is just how to work, to subtract in base 2 and to add in base 2. Hope you've really gained something valuable today, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for tuning into my channel. If you are watching this video on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, and also if you're watching on Facebook, can you do me a favor by sharing this video to your loved ones, your friends, so they can enjoy what you just enjoyed. Till we meet again, I remain Daniel. Leave it. Meet again in the next video.